Hey guys, so today we're gonna do a Marc Jacobs beauty unboxing video. So let's just get started. So the first thing I have in this package is this. As you can see from the picture, it has a lipstick and a mascara. And then the other thing inside here, it says it's a luminizer. And the next thing here is it says it's a lip gloss. And the other thing inside here we have is a lip crayon. I don't think there's anything inside. So let's just get started with this. So let me check this one out. I like this color. I think it's called Plum. You can see it, how dark it is. The next color here we have is this dark red. The other color we have here is this mauve pink. It's kind of light. I like this because it's kind of cute, like it's a chocolate wrapper. So you just have to twist it from one side. You have to take it out. So inside here we have this lipstick. It's kind of pink. Let me show you guys the brush. Let me keep this here. So next we have this lip gloss, which says, I like that it's very shiny. It's kind of shiny, but I don't think it can be used a lot. So next is this. So this is how it looks like. It's very pigmented. You guys can see. Really like this color also. I really like this box because it's very shiny. And that's all for the video. So I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching, and please remember to subscribe, and please do comment which makeup did you like the best.